the perfect way to record better audio through your computer. Talent provides a unique all-in-one bundle for new podcasters, gamers, voiceover artists, web conferencing, or anybody looking to upgrade the way they record their voice. Laptop microphones often sound echoey and distorted. In order to sound professional, a dedicated microphone is the way to go. For the price of a common starter mic, you will get the USB 1 plug-and-play microphone, a vocal booth for absorbing unwanted room reflections, a shock mount to prevent microphone movement, and a pop filter to reduce clipping on your microphone. Help your audience to feel like they are right there in the room with you. Get the Talent all-in-one USB microphone kit right here at Parts Express.